There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2021 Dodge Charger RT Blacktop in Go Mango. With bifunction projector headlamps, projector LED fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, black one-piece performance spoiler, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 18,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, sport mode, remote start system, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjb.com, stock number 907688.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.